Verisurf is pleased to announce the release of Verisurf Device Interface version 3.45.0. This new release features enhancements that enable Verisurf users to take advantage of the latest device technology from companies such as Leica, Renishaw, Fowler, Creon, and Faro. The new VDI lets you measure with an even greater variety of devices than ever before. Users running the Faro Vantage Tracker can now enjoy 6 degree of freedom probing using the new Faro 6 probe for measurement of complex parts. In addition, the latest Faro Tracker utilities are installed with the VDI, and driver support has been updated. The Verisurf device interface includes support for the API Galaxy range of horizontal arm CMMs to enable automated part inspection using a greater variety of fixed CMMs. In addition, support for the API Tracker vProbe for portable part inspection has been enhanced. The Creon ACE arm, including Coord 3, API, and Venzel branded units, can now scan directly in Verisurf using the Creon Skyline range of scanners, as well as the Solano Blue and Zephyr 2 Blue scanners. The Romer Absolute ARM interface, updated to the latest RDS, enables measurement in Verisurf using the new RS² and RS6 scanners and offers enhanced support for Romer 8 series ARMs. In addition, Verisurf users can now perform direct, non-contact scanning with the Leica ATS600 scanning laser tracker. Renishaw's PH20 5-axis touch trigger probe allows faster point measurement with improved accuracy and repeatability. Verisurf users can now operate this system with their CNC CMMs for more efficient part inspection. In addition to support for new hardware, the interface provides enhanced support for existing devices. Verisurf's latest VDI simplifies operation and improves the accuracy of the CMM master through automated probe compensation, and expands its capabilities with support for disk probes, as well as through error mapping to enable the use of star probes. The portable, battery-powered ZCAT CMM benefits from enhanced support for 4-axis probing for inspection of more complex parts, and single-point analysis was added for the Nikon laser radar to facilitate rapid surface profile inspection. For more information on the many enhancements to Verisurf 2020, be sure to check out our other videos, or visit us online at verisurf.com/contact.